So just to introduce you this condenser, this is the compressor. This compressor made by Bitzer. And we can see here, this is the discharge line. Compress the gas, go to the discharge line, then move to the oil separator. After that, it goes to the condenser. This is condenser. Let's see how big this one. This one is 50, the size of the fan. And after that, it goes to the condenser. This is the condenser. It becomes from the gas to liquid. After it becomes liquid, it go with this line to this is the liquid receiver. The liquid is come to here, and this is the filter, and it goes to the side glass sonolite valve, and then it goes to the evaporator. And after back from evaporator, it's just easy to go to the gas separator. What I want to say here, this is this is make it very easy for the technicians, for the customer, for everyone, because I can show you here. Even they have the low pressure, high pressure, everything you can check it here. So that make it easy for you as technicians or as consumers, because I know some agents or they are even agent of Bitzer themselves. They only give you the condenser and they give you the compressor, and if they are good, they give you the oil separator, and all these things you need to buy it by yourself, and this is very cost. Even they give you the electric, they put all this wiring and wire it here. So what you just need is just to contact the power and contact to the evaporator, and you are good. And they can show you very close to have very good idea how it is from close. Okay, just a second. So we can see here, this is the compressor, this is the model here. I'm not sure, hopefully you can see the details we can give you. This is the compressor and this models, and this is the discharge, and this is the condenser. And the amazing thing about this condenser, see, it made from aluminum. Aluminum is not rusting or going to break after a few years. That's what make it. And this is from the back. Wow. And this is the liquid receiver, filter, and then we have sonolite valve is there. So it's amazing, you know, guys. And this is the electric power. So you just all this wiring go inside this box. This is 2 horsepower, but if you need like this one, they installed the technician working on it. That one is 15 horsepower. There is also 10 horsepower. So it depends for the project you have. You can get also the same result. Let us know if you have any project, and we can give you the best options here as a condenser unit. This is Akram from Vision Valley. Cheers, guys.